All right, let's see. A hydraulic jack lifts 620 kilograms of mass with an input force of 24 newtons. So our output force is 620 times, this I'll call this F2, right? Is 620 times 9.81. So 620 times 9.81. This is, I'm just calculating the weight of the object is what I'm doing. So it's 6082.2 newtons. All right. That's our F2. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go force 1 divided by area 1 equals force 2 divided by area 2. Okay. So let's see. Force 1 is our input force, right? We'll say this is force 1. This is force 2. Okay, so 24.0 newtons over the diameter of the input cylinder. Well, let's figure the radius of the input cylinder, right? So that's going to be divided by area 1, which is pi r1 squared, right? Is equal to the output force 6082.2 divided by, let's see, the diameter is 12.6, so the radius would be 6.3 or 0.063 meters, right? That's centimeters. Okay, so this is going to be pi times 0.0630 squared. So this is newtons, this is meters, right? So this guy divided by pi divided by 0.063 squared is, wow, that's a lot of pressure. That's like 48. So I've got 487,786.4 is equal to 24 newtons over pi r1 squared. Okay. So I'm going to go 24 divided by this. 24 divided by this thing. I've got 4.920 times 10 to the minus 5th is equal to pi r1 squared. Okay, so divide by pi. And I've got r squared, and now I'm going to square root it. And I've got that my radius r1 equals 0.003957 meters times 2 gives us diameter, right? So I've got that it's equal to 0.00791 meters, which is 0.791 centimeters. Ta-da. All right. That's fun, isn't it? Now let me just show you a trick here, okay? We did all this stuff. We did all this work to get this into meters, and then we multiplied by 2 and divided by 2 and all this stuff, right? Okay. But, you know, the area, this area is just going to be pi d1 over 2 squared, right? And this guy is going to be pi d2 over 2 squared. Do you see that the 2's and we're doing, you know, diameter to radius and the pi's, they all just go away, right? So really I can just go F1 over, let's see, diameter 1 squared equals F2 over diameter 2 squared. If everything's the same, and if they're asking you for diameter and giving you diameter, right? Okay, that's a whole lot easier, right? If I do that, right, I'm just going to erase. You can stop now, but anyway. So force 1 over diameter 1 squared equals force 2 over diameter 2 squared, right? Okay, so 24 over diameter 1 squared equals 620 times 9.81 divided by 12.6 squared. All right, so I'm going to go 24 divided by parentheses 620 times 9.81 divided by 12.6 squared, right? And that's going to be that. So I've got d1 squared equals 0.626 right? And then I just have to square root it, right? Second square root, second answer. And I get that D1 is equal to 0.791 centimeters. Ta-da. Notice I didn't even convert centimeters to meters. Anyway, that's pretty slick.